Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today I will be showing you guys how to install this loose wave 20-inch wig. This hair is perfect for fall. It's curly. You can never go wrong with some cute curly hair for the fall. And plus this install took me all of 20 minutes, no time. And make sure you keep on watching to the end of the video to check out my new perfume. Alright, so the hair in this video is sent to me by Bilace Wig, and I received their 20-inch loose wave wig. It came with adjustable straps, a brush, as well as a cap and some instructions how to care for the hair. That's how the hair looks before I wash it. As you can see here, it has lace in the front, some in the back, and then you have your combs and everything else there. So I did go ahead and bleach my knots and wash the wig and let it air dry. And then I did press and create a middle part using my hot comb, and I just left the edges out so that I can apply my wig using the holding spray. I did go ahead and cut off my side tabs to make the process easier. So like I said, I do have a couple videos that's more into detail, but all I did was just hot comb it like this, and I'm going to apply it using my got to be glued free spray. And if you get this holding spray from the hair store, it's like $8. However, if you get it from Walmart, it's like $4. So make sure you go to Walmart. That's what I figured out. At least that's how it is in North Carolina. So I'm just going throughout the wig and spraying it right in between where I have the hair separated right there. That's the easiest way, you guys. This way, I love this method. I cannot get enough of it. And my wigs last like a good 4 days. And if I sweat, all I do is just wrap it up. Like if I want to go work out, I will put a wrap cap around my edges, or if I know it's going to be hot that day and I'm out, I will put a scarf around my edges until I stop sweating. That's the only way it's going to like last. So once I have it all molded down, I go ahead and cut off the extra lace here, and as you can see, it is lifting up a little bit. So I just take some of the got to be glued gel and putting that on there, because if you spray the freeze spray, it may cause it to lift up a little bit, or you just have to do it section by section. So here I'm just using the gel, pressing that down and blow drying it, and then I went in and created my baby hairs. This way you kind of got to be careful, because you don't want your baby hair to like kind of be like stuck to your head if that's not the look you're going for. So just keep that in mind if you do decide to use the gel the way I did. So here I'm just creating some baby hairs that fit, you know, just because it is curly hair, and plus you guys know that I love baby hair with my frontal, so that's what I'm doing. I mean, that way it's definitely optional, and I did burn my head, so yeah, that's what that mark is. So yeah, but y'all, this wig was really nice. Like, it turned out way better than I thought. Not that I had doubts in it, it's just I don't know. Y'all seen how I was looking at the beginning, like the curls was so uniform and just weird looking. But honey, those curls was popping through. And I'm just taking my hot comb and just pressing out my part to get that real cute little sleek, you know, pressed out look at the top that I love. You guys, this install was bomb. I love that freeze spray. Like, that's just like my new go-to look, unless I know I need to keep on my wig for at least like a week. I'll definitely use the glue, or I've been lately putting glue like on my side tabs. But yeah, definitely click the link down below, check out this wig. And here I'm using the SHESBOMB collection foam. Y'all, this foam is bomb too. Now y'all know how I feel about SHESBOMBGOO, the gel. I love that, but the foam is really nice. It has like a nice little sheen to it. It's not dry. You see how it adds like a shine to the hair and just defines the curls. I really love this foam. And plus her products are really affordable, and they're starting to be in like the hair stores as well as Walmart. So make sure you go check out SHESBOMB collection for your hair products. But yeah, so all I'm doing here is just adding some of the foam to my hair, just getting it a little closer to my root that I kind of straightened out, just to make sure it's not straight too far down, just to have my root straight, and then go into like that curly look like this. Looks amazing. And you guys, I did this in seriously like 20 minutes. Like, it literally took no time for me to install this wig. So definitely click the link down below and let me know what you think about this video and how easy it was to install this. And if this is something that you have tried out or you're going to try out, definitely let me know, because this is the new go-to method that I am here for. So yeah, leave me a comment down below, and also go and check out this company. Very affordable and bomb wigs. All right, let's go ahead and get into this perfume that I received, you guys. Oh my god, y'all, so I received this perfume and I have 3 boxes. They come in like these really cool boxes like this. So let's see here. Okay, so right off back, you get this really cute little brochure letting you know that they appreciate your purchase. Thank you. And then on the other side, letting you know some of the ingredients that's in their natural perfume, as well as, because this is a subscription that you can sign up for, that if you do not like the smell of the perfume, then you can send it back to choose something else or to get your refund. And that is because you have a full-size bottle here, as well as the sample. The sample is the one that you can, you know, open up and spray out and see how you like it. So this one is Oriental Woody 1. Let's see. That one smells like kind of manly, or can go, this is unisex, can kind of smell unisex, kind of smell manly first. So yeah, this is the, so this is the perfume bottle. Like, you're supposed to smell the sample first, and you didn't like that smell, then do not open this, because once you open this and pull that seal off, you're not able to send it back anymore. But you guys, I pulled my seal off, but look at this. It's like a magnet. How cool. Really natural looking, sleek perfume bottle. Love it. That one kind of smell like soap, or like a man. Let's see this one. Okay, this is Fresh Floral 2. And you get a lot of perfume in here. Let's smell this one. Okay, Floral 2 smells good. Smells really, really good. I really like this one. This one has jasmine in it. It has sweet pea, rose. I can smell that. That one smells good. So this is Fresh Floral 2. Ooh, that just hit me. It smells really grown and sexy. That's the kind of vibe I'm getting from that one. And this one is Floral 2. Okay. Smell it too. Okay, I'm smelling too many. This one smells more subtle than the other floral. They're pretty awesome. I got 3 bottles. My favorite my favorite would have to be the Fresh Floral. Oh my god, I really like this one because it's really subtle. It smells really good. It's not too strong, and it's not like too mild either. It's not too sweet and fruity, but it is sweet and fruity. I really like the Fresh Floral 2. Now, the one that I would send back for, you know, as if I was doing the subscription, would definitely be the Oriental Woody 1, because this one's almost kind of like a unisex smelling to me, and it definitely be something that would smell nice on possibly like a man. It smells like really fresh and manly-ish, so I would definitely send this one back. But it's not too bad. That's how I can kind of smell like the unisex, but this ain't for me. The woody one is not for me. Now I can alternate off these 2 floral ones. And I love the sleek bottles. Sleek, so cute. Look at them, shining bright like a diamond. Love, love, love these.